Welcome to Ms. Nepi. Today, we will learn how to write a persuasive essay for beginners. A persuasive essay tries to convince the reader to agree with your opinion. What is persuasive writing? Persuasive writing means giving your opinion and supporting it with strong reasons and examples. Our topic is, should students have less homework? Our opinion is, yes, students should have less homework. Step 1. Choose your opinion. Decide what you believe. Example, I believe students should have less homework. Step 2. Give reason 1. Less homework gives students more time to rest. Rest helps students feel healthy and ready to learn. Step 3. Give reason 2. Less homework gives students more time with family. Family time helps children feel loved and supported. Step 4. Give reason 3. Less homework gives students time for hobbies, reading, exercise, and creative activities. Step 5. Add examples. Examples make your reasons stronger. Example, a student who sleeps well can focus better in class the next day. Step 6. Use persuasive words. Use words like, I believe, should, because, for example, most importantly, clearly, and therefore. Step 7. Write a strong ending. End by repeating your opinion and asking the reader to agree or take action. Beginner writing structure. I believe blank. First, blank. Second, blank. Third, blank. For example, blank. Therefore, I think blank. Now, let us read the full persuasive essay. I believe students should have less homework. First, less homework gives students more time to rest. When students rest well, they can focus better in class. Second, less homework gives children more time with their families. Family time helps children feel happy and supported. Third, students need time for hobbies, reading, exercise, and creative activities. For example, playing outside can help students stay healthy and active. Therefore, I think students should have less homework because it helps them become healthier, happier, and more ready to learn. Now, let us label the parts. Check. Opinion. I believe students should have less homework. This tells what the writer believes. Check. Reason 1. Less homework gives students more time to rest. This is the first reason supporting the opinion. Check. Reason 2. Less homework gives children more time with their families. This is the second reason. Check. Reason 3. Students need time for hobbies, reading, exercise, and creative activities. This is the third reason. Check. Example. Playing outside can help students stay healthy and active. This example makes the reason stronger. Check. Conclusion. The ending repeats the opinion and explains why it matters, healthier, happier, and more ready to learn. Final summary checklist. Check 1. Choose your opinion. Check 2. Give reason 1. Check 3. Give reason 2. Check 4. Give reason 3. Check 5. Add examples. Check 6. Use persuasive words. Check 7. End with a strong conclusion. Now it is your turn. Choose a topic. Should kids eat more vegetables? Should students wear uniforms? Should pets be allowed in school? Write your opinion, 3 reasons, and a conclusion. Remember, persuasive writing is powerful. Share your opinion clearly, support it with reasons, and help your reader understand your point. Follow Ms. Nepi for more writing lessons.